Alright, I found out what I did wrong. When I flipped my fin, I flipped it in the wrong direction because I have to be able to get 1, 2, 3 fins out of this one piece of plastic. What I'll do is I'll make up a pattern for you so you can see how that's done. But I make sure I lay these out before I started cutting anything. That way I don't waste any material. And I also used a marker so that you could see where my lines are. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my fins. Be careful with the scissors. I'm going to cut right along there. Don't forget the little notch. There's a little notch in here, and that little notch is very important because that helps me remember which side of the fin is going to go against my rocket body. There we go. I'm going to cut out my notches first. Now this is also a piece of cardboard, a paper material, and I'm going to be able to use regular glue on this. If I were using a plastic, I wouldn't be able to use the regular glue because plastic can't be bonded by the regular woodworking glue that we're using in our class. There's one fin, and that's how it looks. It should look very much like my pattern, which it does. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to cut right along here, cut another one out. I don't suggest making modifications to these fins right now. Later on, if you get good at rocket building, we can make modifications. But right now, we need a lot of surface area to keep these rockets going nice and straight. So here I've got my 3 fins. They're all set to go. Now, the next thing that I need to do is I need to mount the fins to my rocket body. And we'll do that in just a couple minutes.